Camera recording.
Hey, neighbor. How are you? I'm going to try to be as quiet and discreet as possible. But I needed a break from the neighborhood watch, you know what I mean? Just a quick break. Not much to report tonight. Out in the neighborhood, really quiet. Just one little minor incident of some kids doing some driveway chalk. And I said, hey, what's going on there? Just kidding. Carry on, you little rascals. Chalkosauruses. Well, while I was walking around, I had to tell you a dad joke. You know what happened to me the other day, neighbor? I was about to print off one of those MapQuest directions, you know, about the car show tomorrow morning. Needed some directions. MapQuest, there you go. Print. And I heard music coming from the printer. My Lanta, what is going on here? So I walk over there. You know what was causing the music? The paper was jamming. I dropped my equipment. Later, Gator. See you at church. Hey, neighbor. Thanks for watching. If you want to mess with your neighbors, or if you just want to protect your kiddos, the wife, the Casa, or the Dodge Caravan, call Vivint. Use this thingy right here. Later, Gator.